Alright, so brought it back. After running the air on. Took a little while. Freezed up like 220. We're over here in the sun. We're at the drop tank. But then I noticed it's leaking. So I'm gonna play find the water leak. Because it's Alright, so I am laying under the car with it running. And we're piddling coolant, as you can see. Where might this leak be? Fun. Real fun. Set her down. And we're dripping. Oh! Let's play Find the Leak. Ugh. Great. Coming down the balancer onto the crossmember and out. I'm sure it's that water pump, the back side of it, where the water pump ends up, you know, where the water pump has the rear plate on it that covers the impeller. I'm betting it's that gasket. So we'll check that out. Let me go up to the top side and see what we got. All right, so it's hard to see, but if you look in on the balancer, right in there, look at all that staining. What's above it? Our friend Mr. Water Pump. You know where Mr. Water Pump's leaking? Currently, onto the floor, because it's going onto the back side of the balancer. So it's dripping down out of the back of the water pump onto basically the snout of the crankshaft. No, the floor on the crossmember, as you saw in the previous clip. So, good old water pump said, sayonara! Fun, fun!